Everybody back here, EMD Automotive. Just finished doing the clutch and the flywheel. Now we're doing the release bearing for the clutch. So you gotta give it a nice clean before it was really dirty. Just clean it up, and then you gotta put some, check the plate here. There's no plate movement. Put some grease on there as well. It's special clutch grease for high temperature. You buy from Porsche. This is the release bearing. Put a bit here on the pivot. A bit more here. Then once you finish that, then you put this in there. Make sure the spring's in properly. So that will go this way. A little tang there. Make sure it goes on the side here. So like that. So you don't break it. Make sure you don't break them. So just nice and square, and just sort of just push it in like that. See that? That's in. Hold it like that, so make sure it doesn't fall down. So that's 100% in. That's the new one. That's the old one. Start to be noisy already. Okay, then you just make sure that's in properly. Install it in, make sure it's in there. And you just push it at the bottom. Like that. That's it. That's on. That's on. And that's on. Alright, show the clutch on this side there. Yeah, mate. That's a brand new clutch and a flywheel. That's all done, ready for installation. We're going to put the gearbox in next, and then we'll go from there. Alright, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.